Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a study area map in Google Earth Pro, or how to make a polygon around your study area in Google Earth Pro. First, open Google Earth Pro. Add a folder in Google Earth Pro by clicking on folder option. Name this folder by giving any name to it. Save this by clicking OK. Now add a polygon around your study area by clicking the Add Polygon button in the menu bar. Now drag your mouse around your desired area and make a polygon around your desired area. In this dialog box, you can name the polygon. You can also change the width and area style color. Area can be filled, outlined, and can be both. Now save this polygon by clicking OK. After it, save the place by right clicking on the polygon. Then save as, name it, and click OK. So here is our study area camel file on the desktop as we save it on the desktop.